Hello everyone and welcome to this short video series. Today I'll be talking about question number 33 from HSC Standard Maths Exam 2019. This question came from nonlinear relationships and this was from hyperbola. So let's open this one, question type 2 and 2019 question number 33. So here you are told that a car travels between two towns at a constant speed, and the speed varies um, varies inversely with speed. So the time that it takes for a car to travel between two towns varies inversely with its speed. It takes 1.5 hours for the car to travel between the two towns at a constant speed of 80 kilometers. You need to work out the distance between the two towns. So let's take out the question. The first thing you need to know is you're being told that the time varies inversely with speed. So time is equal to whatever the distance is. We know this from basic formula. So distance divided by speed. So whatever you have a distance, if you divide it by speed, you will get the time. So you're being told that it takes 1.5 hours for the car to traveling at 80 kilometers to reach between two towns. So you need to work out the distance. So if we put the time as 1.5 hours, distance divided by 80, 80 is the speed, and this will give you a total distance of 120 kilometers. So the distance between the two towns is 120 kilometers. And then the next question is asking that using 4 points, you need to draw the curve that shows the time it takes to travel between the two towns. So that's relatively easy. Use a few points, 20, 40, 60, and 80 for speed, and get the relative values for the time using this equation. Put those points on the chart and then connect them. So let's do this one by one. So for 120, so let's start with, if the speed is 20, then the time would be 60, right? So time would be 6. So this one would be this point. Similarly, when it's 40, so 120 divided by 40, it would be 3. So at 40, this number would be 3. Then at 60, this would be 2. Then at 80, so 120 divided by 80, this is what we already given in the question. At 80, it's 1.5. So at 80, it's somewhere in between 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3. So somewhere, oh, sorry, this point was wrong. This point would be here. Ignore this one. So this would be 1.5 here. Okay, now it's a matter of connecting all these dots. So I'm gonna do a very bad job at this because I'm doing it digitally using this pen, but you get the idea. I didn't do that bad actually. So something like this. So that'll be your answer.